Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making these really cool little marshmallow popcorn puffball thingies. So yeah, let me go get some. Okay, so I got this bowl, and you will need some Mayonnaise. So we're going to start in by adding some marshmallows. Microwave. Yes. Okay, there we go. Put you in there. We'll close out and watch for 2 seconds. Okay. So, you need a parent's help with this? Oh, jeez, that's hot. She's Hey, shit. Okay, so I have it right here. It's beautiful. And you're going to get a spatula type thingy. Like this thing. Nothing is really happening right here except for the marshmallows are melting. As you can kind of see that marshmallow right there? Melting. So I'm going to keep on doing it for 10 to 15, well 10 to 20 seconds until it's kind of get there. Whatever, but see it right there, that's my cat. Okay, I'm going to put that there, and another 10 seconds, well 10. Okay, so now I just have to wait for it to cook. And I just have my spatula ready. Hi, cutie. What do you want? Do you want me to pick you up? Oh, you're so cute. Okay. Here you go. Okay. I'm ready to pick this up. Is it hot? Okay, there we go. Let's well, yeah, mix it with a spoon, but okay, here comes the messy part that I've already started, but you need to start taking it out when it kind of gets a doughy consistency. Just break up your little popcorn and just mix. Yeah, it's kind of like slime. If you ever have played with slime before, kind of feels like that. And you can always add in more marshmallows if you need to. You'll just make more balls of just make more marshmallowy fluff. I'll say that. Oh no. Oh jeez. Oh, that's hot. Hot. See how it's kind of like coming in that texture? So everyone is cringing. Oh jeez. Whoa. Whoa. Down one marshmallow. Oh jeez. feels so cool. Whoa, it's starting to come together. So, it really feels like slime. Mom, this feels like slime.
That's scary. Is your brother still in
Okay, so it's starting to get like a doughy texture, a slimy slime texture. And you just keep kneading it. It's hard to explain. You can mash the popcorn if you want. You don't have to. You can if you want. And it should start looking like a chocolate mess. And knead it into a ball, of course. You can knead it into little tinier balls or one big chocolate ball. Okay. So here I have this. And I should have a plate right now. There we go. Okay. I'll just grab this plate. Okay. Put that little thing down. Ah! Don't fly off. I've made you with my heart. Please. Don't fly. Okay. So I have it right here. I have some extra. Okay. So, I'll be right back. Okay, my hands are washed and everything. You can use the same bowl or a different bowl, but just add a little bit of marshmallows to it. And you're going to warm those up so that they're like a mashed mix. So I'm just going to do 30 seconds. Okay, and I'll see you when it's ready. Okay, so I am back. Oh, Jesus, hot.
Yeah, just be very careful with burgers.
I know, Mom. Oh, jeez, I don't want to use that. Okay, oh, jeez. Paper towels. My opinion. So, yeah, my marshmallow, and we're gonna try to mash them up. Oh, it smells so good. Whoa, that's so satisfying. Yeah, ready? Oh, jeez, hot!
Yeah, just be careful.
I want to show you guys, but it's hard because it's hot. Okay, we're gonna take this paper towel and then just gonna lift it up. Okay. It smells delicious. Okay, I want to hold this, but I really can't. Oh, jeez! Don't come flying at me. So again, you're going to kind of make a doughy texture, but of whiteness without any popcorn in it. Because this is going to be your layer that goes on it. I mean, like I have a little bit of popcorn in it because I use the same bowl. But you can color this any color you want. I'll scoot this over a little bit. Here's mine so far. Still kind of. Alright, so now I'm adding in some not like warmed up marshmallows, and I'm just kind of mixing them in. I don't really want to touch this. Oh, geez, it's so hot. So these marshmallows, I'm gonna kind of have to mash in, but that's okay. Oh, geez, I want to touch it, but it's hot. That's okay. I've got this. Ow. It's hot. I'm trying to play with it like slime. It's coming. It's coming. Together. Just gonna add more to it to make it thicker. Trying right now to make it so that it doesn't really stick to me, which is good. I mean, like, look, it's not sticking. It's only sticking to my fingertips. So okay, we're just rolling it around. Okay, so I'm gonna try to Okay. So fun to play with. Trying to like get it off my hands. I'm trying. Sticky. Not exactly working. I don't know if those marshmallows help like get into it. I should add in it. Okay. So I kind of have it in a bowl. Roll it. Okay. But I'm just gonna place this. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this, roll it up in my hands, and then I'm just gonna place this on it. Okay, no, that's not hot. That's good. Let's see first. Okay. I'm going to place it on. As you can see, we have this, and I'm just trying to place it on. I don't want to. Okay, I'll be back when I can. So, my mom told me to use this and spray it on your hands, so pretend I just did it. But I actually did, and it's so much easier to do it. So now I'm just gonna kind of lay it out, kind of like slime, and it's beautiful. Time to test it. Oh jeez, it's not good. Okay, I'm really excited about this top part because I know it's really good. Okay, jeez, why am I nervous? It's so fun. delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye.